Nazywam się Szymon Pajdosz.
My name is Szymon Pajdosz, and I've been working in the heavy industry sector for 12 years. I'm responsible for project sales and implementation, beginning with the preparation of appropriate personal protective equipment for the staff carrying out the work. Buchen in Poland is based in Gliwice, but also active in most European countries, in 11 to be precise, employing around 3,000 personnel. The services we offer include high-pressure industrial cleaning, vacuum loading of waste, sludge dewatering and loading, replacement of catalytic converters, corrosion protection, and waste disposal. When we enter the plant, the main risk is identifying what gases and chemical substances we are dealing with. Our personnel are regularly exposed to hazards such as ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, and sulfur. We therefore use protective equipment such as chemical protective suits, respirators, escape devices, and portable gas detectors. Our primary cleaning method is the use of high-pressure water. We use this to break up sediments and contaminated equipment that our customers entrust to us for servicing. We rely mainly on the Explore 8700 because we work in potentially explosive atmospheres. For us, the most important feature of the Explore 8000 is that it allows workers to breathe freely, even during strenuous work. Apart from comfort, this system offers much better protection for our staff. This is crucial for us. The pass colt is primarily used to access a tank or fractioning column where the external air supply could be accidentally cut off. The main reason we chose the pass colt was its compact size while protecting our personnel in the event of an airline failure. Parat escape hoods are required whenever workers move around the plant. The Parat offers a broad range of protection, but we are primarily concerned with protection against hydrogen sulfide and carbon monoxide. Our main consideration in choosing the Parat was its lightweight and practical design. We mainly use the Dräger XAM 2500 and XAM 2800 devices for moving at our customers' petrochemical and chemical plants, and also to check the atmosphere before entering the tanks. The main reason for choosing the sensor is its professional design and the fact that the measurements reflect the actual conditions of the atmosphere being tested. Buchen began its partnership with Dräger 12 years ago and has continued to develop it ever since. We opted for Dräger because the company offers training, tailors the products to our needs, and provides ongoing support for the equipment we use. Our partnership with Dräger will only continue to grow as we can rely on the wide range of equipment, risk analysis, and excellent training that Dräger provides.